How to screenshot on Android. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will be teaching you how you can screenshot on Android. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's dive right in. First step. What you'll need to do to take a screenshot is simultaneously press the power and the volume down button. After you press on both of those, you will have your screenshot taken, and yeah, that's basically it. Now there's also another feature where you can take a screenshot with just your fingers and without pressing any buttons. So for that, you'll need to locate your settings, go to your settings and scroll down, and you should find special features at the bottom of your settings. Tap on special features, then head over to gestures, then there you'll find screenshot gestures. Tap on that, and from here you can find screenshot gestures where you can use 3 fingers to swipe down and then take a screenshot. And it's basically that simple. Now all you have to do is swipe down from the swipe down with 3 fingers on your screen and you'll have taken a screenshot. And it's that simple. And that is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.